Are you facing Wi-Fi disconnectivity issue on your iPhone and iPad and you are disappointed? Don't worry. In this short video, you will learn how to fix. There is 2 to 3 method to fix. Last one is important. Are you sure you don't have any hardware issue? If yes, then let's start and solve this issue. First one, forget your connected Wi-Fi network. To do that, tap setting, tap Wi-Fi, tap icon and forget this network. Then what the next? Rejoin that same network again. Then what the next step? The next step, reset network setting. Tap setting, tap general, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and reset network setting. Then what the next? The next step, force to restart your iPhone. How to? Depends on your model, because some models have different way to force to restart. Okay, and then last one is very important. The important one is update your iPhone to the latest update if you have pending. Tap setting, tap general, tap software update. If you have pending, just update it to the latest iOS update. So after do that, you can easily fix that issue. That hope you will understand how to fix that.